Today is Friday, March 18th. This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado specific Rochester carburetor from my friend VJ in Minnesota. So this is the original vintage 702-7230 with the 1 year only round seal specific to the 67 model of the Rochester Quadrajet carburetor. So this unit has been completely restored. This is a beautiful show quality unit. The unit has been redipped and colorized on the body with the brownish, greenish, or somewhat golden hue of the cadmium dichromate colorizing, which is period correct for 1967. So this is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado performance tuned 1 year only 702-7230. This is specific to the 429 engine. It will not work with the 68, 69, 70 or any of the other model year Cadillac Eldorados. And the unit is absolutely beautiful, pristine condition. And I'll be sending this unit. It's already preset and calibrated for the 67 Eldorado. So nothing will need to be done except mount and operate. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados. I have over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, March 18th. Thank you very kindly.